Okay, watch up, guys. Today I'm doing sorting all the foods that we need to read a bit because we changed our diet from regular to keto diet. So now I'm starting sorting all the food that we don't need our keto diet. It's it's good food. It's but this is like high high carb, yeah, high carbohydrates food. So we decided to change our diet to keto diet. So we changed the food that like low carbs. So yeah, this is it. This is our pantry in the truck. So I already started remove all the stuff here so that when we return back to Portland, the place that we like our home base there, and then it's in day of time, so we started to buy groceries for low carbs food. So yeah, this is it. This is our pantry. So mostly there is seasoning. So the seasoning is no carbs. So that one. So this is the lower part that I need to sort. The upper part is start already. More on canned goods over there that probably it's gonna be high carbs. So this one mostly is Asian store area. My sardines and some stuff over there, I need to finish it. So I will show you some of my food that I already removed. So this is still good, guys. Good food. And then it's so all of pasta is, we're not eating pasta anymore, so yeah, I put in this one so that when we return back to Portland, I will give it to my friend. So this is all the groceries that we have here. Some, but my tea is still here. So we have also food, guys, yung pangmatagalan ba? Ito, yung ano ba to? Yung pwede mo for camping, that easy to cook. It's already cooked inside, but halimbawa pag gusto mo magka-camping, meron kami ganito. Sabi nila mostly ang kumakain daw nito is for military food. So yeah, but this is high carbohydrates.
But this is emergency food. So
Yeah, this is emergency food.
to keep it because it's still good for emergency.
Yeah, my husband told me it's for emergency food, so I need to keep it. This is only the food that we need to keep it, even it's high carbohydrates, because we're not eating this one every day, just for emergency. So I keep it. So there is chicken, beef, etc. So meron din akong ganito, pero parang oh, 40 grams. I need to read a bit. may stock akong mga pansit-pansit guys. Madami akong stock na hindi namin kinakain araw-araw. Stock lang. Yan, ganito. Ito, ano to, pork ata to eh. Oh. This one is zero carbohydrates, so I need to keep it. This, not all here is need to rid of it. I just only sorting it. So this one is good. Probably the salt is. Marami din akong for pang-baking guys, pang-baking. All my favorite noodles is high in carbohydrates, so I need to get rid of it. But parang sayang nito guys, kasi shopping ako ng shopping sa Asian store, pero ayun, hindi pala ito kasama sa Keto, kaya baking. Gusto ko sanang gawa ng sapin-sapin o ano, pero hindi ito kasama sa keto, not keto friendly guys. Not keto friendly. Ito hindi ito keto friendly. Ito okay lang to, meron akong mga ganito guys. Sardines ata keto friendly to. Yeah. Pero yung mga pasta hindi. Secret ko talaga kung lahat guys. Wait, hindi ko sali ito kasi. So ito lahat guys yung dapat hindi ko nakakainin next week kasi I changed my diet to keto diet. So guys, sayang talaga yung mga food na yan. Yan, isang ano pa, isang box, isang ano, dami yan lahat. Pero bibigay ko yan guys, may umabol pang Skyflix, high carbs yan. Low carbs. So ready na to guys para ibigay ko na sa we're still here in Arizona guys, ready ko lang ibigay. Ito pa sweets, pahabol pa yung Skyflix. So this is my Korean sweets. So sarap dito guys, pero grabe high carbs din to, pero hindi ko na to makakain next week. So kung sinong gusto kain, ibibigay ko. Pero kakainin ko muna ito, diba? Kasi next week pa naman kung mag-keto lang. But sarap nito guys, promise. This is Korean sweets. It's honey blossom cookie. Ito yung mga snacks. Korean sweets. Sarap.